Dr. Frank Amwako Hene otu galam say osawia ECG for enkania
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok o comment section o by bia be hum bia from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Illegal connection. A doctor said the videos no mu delete and I drew headquarters. Omu bu ECG staff no yes on delete no. Videos no I find the way to a Ubuntu TV. Make us say last Thursday, ECG for Uyamon Kania yet to be jail cry. And now say and Kania no we are obo calculate about and here Dr. Frank Amwakwene and also a media BBB would fear no than obo each now. Your year would fear. The fear no a bakwa oh a baby obo collation 2024 more money fear or the that's why I was CC Dine be account. Baby at 2024, the field and no player a one that they yame a omokoye collation and this for na mokotanase koye collation. Sa fi hold anyway legal collection. And there will be a media why I'll see the yes Facebook so your TV will feel hold more. Sa Ghana and Kenya and a Dr. Frank Amwakwene area and the AD say Jumani nyina. The last Ochina ye be yi ba kwan kire say regional minister Dr. Frank Amwakwene we wian kanea hello Emma you enti want to be TV so any your neck president minister 38% owian kanea owia enkanea ama we are body ekodum so ma mo se napo engineers e dey dundum kanea no say regional minister and no chefie area kanea the staff call so watch na abono e delete videos no say ababe drew ha ba me mama kwa ba me hwe say bia be de ba ko e be fama azana video na no kwa de audio o kira no be yi video no ba ko so e de a kira mo e kwan a ECG fo no kire e no ye say connect say and then mun ni brinka ti sanka yo na yanko we dey you o so ai bibia ye kam
What are you doing? Move it now. We don't like it.
And Meta, on that on the cable, I'm getting 6.4 amps. Along the face, I'm also getting 17.5 amps. And another one the last one I'm getting from 14.9 ounces for this meter, respectively. So this is a suspected tank. Yes.
No, they were fighting. But you were trying to take him away. There you were. And they were fighting. You saw it. No.
All right, Nana Kwabe Bedasi, Papa, way, NC. Oh, be the people to us watching now. We know dear, SC. We know dear, Twaso Ochina Yame Eya Duma. Ochina video back on Subeba. Audio no so, no crowd about 20 minutes, mean to be boarding na. Boy, don't know more bro, Saro. Sabote, a choir faso. Didn't you solo? Did you be with you or your friend solo? Or no, and I just saw boo ECG staff. No, didn't you solo? Regional minister, I'm Wakwene. Didn't you solo? Or Chinod you now, Bono, the Obeti solo. No, Etiam, Sani and the minister Casa, Sani and the minister Casa, and all boo staff. No, and no dark run, and so on Casa. My main penny didn't cram ECG for wow pedo, then Casa cake, a chantro. Mopa bonkoyhwe eye staff no na bisado ma ECG for omo ne ndamantam na omo kopie fie omo de no omo nim se eye franka muakoine efie enti video na ne yeyi no omo biemi ade no so omo kopie hodom na chese obi ba ho se who born dog na wo dim se regional minister na wa hada o wian kanea no na mo maba ha do na chese mo ba be ye de ba de yampene be so ochina voice a be body a china no it spans be 20 minutes mean to me body nyina ba me no de tip of the na be de about
emrani na wo eni na madam oslo wusu afanyo mark ye nyina ka se na musa se bi o san kwase asemwe ye de hwemu ye de NDC force the big from George eye nanim se bo float. And the catcher said the law is perfect. And Richard Sky, peace, there be City FM journalist. This is there be.
me say me catch the play. Me you playing fa. Say NDC for in this case. We ni pa bonifo. China make no.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de chire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na meya mamo na. Abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bit me ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bit me ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look say hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people ya akonfo. Name ma akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. a comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort you say enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntum asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho marketing men omo nko ma no ntum ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete nanze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is any one you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Addo Nyame ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de Addo Nyame ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam 1 which is never true
onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama nam 1 for the first time nam 1 I post oh yes nam 1 I post
ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na listen for the first time nam 1 akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam 1 yes na che say was in ukura adwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no nkwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa your council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omu koswa na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take omu statement ama o grant omu bi omu koi wako court yoko na court o uko court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fee on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court I really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office or no and they use personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No Raymond Wankasa me Martin Yama me and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings ABP. Very soon who recordings are ABP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my